The water parks are open at Cascade Athletic Clubs. I'm Nicole DeCosta out at the Gresham location. And Teresa, this is just one splashy part of everything you have to offer.
So we like to call ourselves that we're more than just a gym. We really focus on fun, fitness, and family. We have a ton to offer through our amenities. Tennis, racquetball, basketball, small group training like tribe team training. We have a ton of programs for kids, including summer camps, kids club, kids gym, swim lessons, and then this is kind of the cherry on top when it comes to fun, family, and fitness.
Absolutely, and seeing the whole family together having fun is fantastic. Mom's playing tennis, dad is swimming a few laps, and the kids are going down the slide. We love that. How can we learn more?
Good question. So you can head to our website, which is www.cascadeac.com, or you can give us a call and we can schedule a time for you to come in and view our facilities.
We gotta hit the pool. We'll see you guys soon at Cascade Athletic Clubs.